Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. In this video, we are going to quickly look over the Oster Classic Series 5-speed blender. This is 700 watts economy blender that retail market price is only about $25. In this video, I'm going to show you how this product look like. Before get started, if you are new here and have not subscribed to my channel, please help us by subscribing. We post product related videos every week. At the very beginning, let's unbox this and see what they have sent us on the box. A side note, this is 700 power watts and 450 blending watts 5 speeds, including low, medium, high, and pulse for ice crushing. Let you make the perfect soup, smoothie, salsa. The easy clean Boroclass glass blending jar is dishwasher safe and shatterproof, so it can go right from the dishwasher to blending icy cold drinks. Key features of this blender: 700 power watts and 450 blending watts, 5 speeds for blending control, Crush Pro 4 blade with a 4-point design, blends up to 10,000 smoothies, 6 cup dishwasher safe and BPA-free plastic jar.
Yeah, we go crazy. Just look at us how we lose it.
Again, after first try, I felt this as an economy blender is not powerful enough to mix all ingredients without assistance. So my recommendation is, if you need to use it a lot, and have strong ingredients, then go with a little more powerful blender. But if you only want to make smoothies and other light crushable things, then this will good blender in your budget. Thank you for watching it. Please help us by subscribing to our channel. I will see you in next video. Bye for now.